Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Chrysler key fob battery. Okay, this one is used for mostly Chrysler Pacifica, Voyager after 2017 up to 2021. The battery you will need is a CR2032. I'll show you in a second. CR2032, you can click on the link below to get it online. Alright, so first thing we do, we click this button, push this button right here to take the emergency key out. Okay, once again, this button right here on the left, you push and you take the emergency key out. As you can see, this is a blank key, yours is probably cut. Second thing we do, right here there is a space. Okay, so we insert our key and we pull up. Okay, same on the other side, we pull up. Okay, and then you can see that there is space, and we pull the cover very gently. I'll do it again. So right here, both sides. You can do it also with a screwdriver, you don't have to. You just pull up very gently, very easy, and then gently we pull the cover. Now we got the key fob inside. Here you will need a screwdriver. As I said, you can see CR2032 is the battery. Okay, what we do now, just to take it out, as you can see there is some space here. You insert the flathead underneath, once again, right here, flathead underneath, and we good. You take the old battery, this battery is good, so I will put it again, and you gently slide it in and you push. Okay, once again, take the new battery, slide it in and push. Now all we have to do is just to put the cover. We hear the clicks. We take the emergency key, we put it back in, and you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything. You can use your key fob again. That's it. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.